What is resistors? How it's working? What is inside of the resistors? Every circuits are made up with most amount of resistors. Why? Hello guys, in this video we learn about resistors and working. Now we move into the video. Let us start with conductors and insulators. The conductors allow electricity to flow, and the insulators stop electricity to flow. For understand, air is not an insulator, but in heavy storm high voltage current is produced between land and sky. It is known as lightning. Now, air becomes conductor due to heavy voltage current flow. So, air is resistant to the flow of electricity, and this is how we get to the idea of electricity resistance. Now, we understand through this. The conductor having a low resistance and the insulators having a high resistance. We all know about Ohm's Law. It states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. Here we understand the relationship of the resistance through the current and voltage. What is resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that resists the flow of electrons in a circuit. All of the time we use fixed resistors that known as static resistance. The static resistors are passive components that the passive components only absorbs or consume power. The circuit diagram of resistors is 2 types. One is rectangular. It is international standard. Another one is squiggle type. It is American version. Working of resistors. A resistor works by restricting the flow of current. It can take place in 3 ways. One is using a less conductive material. Second is create with thinner conductive material. Last one is conductive material make is longer. The most of resistors are made up with wire wounds. That means inside, they consist of a conductive wire wounds around an insulating middle like ceramic. With other resistors rather than a physical wire wounds around, it's just a spiral of carbon film resistors. The 2 ends are connected with end caps with leads and resistors, finally covered by coating. In resistors, the resistance is controlled by the number of turns and thickness of the wire. Here the better understanding. Consider the 2 containers have some amount of water, whereas the container provided with the different breadth of openings. Lesser width is release less amount of water. Larger width is release more water. Same as understand the water flow to the flow of electrons in the conductor. The wider part is allow more number of electrons in the path. And when we reduce the breadth of the conductor, it shortage electrons to flow. Similarly, in resistors the electrons flow is controlled by the number of turns and thickness of the wire. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to support my channel. And click the bell to get notification.